up, let's make whitening shower gel. Actually, someone asked for this video. I should make a video on how to make a shower gel, and I promise her that I'm going to do that. And here comes the video. So if you're interested, or you are the one that requests for the video, let me know in the comment section and let me know what you think about this video after watching it. Okay, and before we continue, if today is your first time or stopping by, hi, I'm Praise Natural Glow. Welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time we upload a new video. If you're new here, please don't be so quick to conclude that, oh, people said organic damage skin, it reacts and all that. Not all the organic. Okay, I can beat my chest and tell you that you are free, like 100% free, to try out whatsoever you see on this channel, and you are going to get benefits of your money. So we don't give fake recipes, and we don't just go to the market and buy different products and mix together. We mix with our sense. So I'll go ahead and introduce all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this. And guys, do you know one thing about our recipes, that you guys have been complimenting for always giving out a simple recipe that you can use a simple money to make, and it will not react to your skin. So the first ingredient you're going to be needing for this our production is nano extra white shower gel. Remember, this is promixing, not organic. Okay, nano extra white shower gel on its own is a whitening shower gel. You can use that shower gel to lighten up your skin, and it helps to moisturize your skin. And one thing I love most about the shower gel is that it does not just lightening up your skin or whitening up your skin just like that. It helps to moisturize your skin and fade hyperpigmentation. So this shower gel is very good. As I love using it a lot to make my production, because it's very effective. You can never go wrong using nano extra white shower gel or the bar soap to make make production. You can never go wrong using them. The bar soap, you can use it to make your mulatto soap. You can use it to make your whitening mulatto soap or your lightening mulatto soap, depending the rest of the ingredients you're going to add inside. Okay, so even the shower gel, you can as well use it. For most of you asking me which shower gel can I use to make my to make my mulatto soap, you can as well use this to make your mulatto soap. We're going to be using one. Now if you're making more than, like, if you're doing a lot, you're making a lot maybe for your customer, but this recipe I'm giving now is for your own use. Okay, so the next one we have on the list is pawpaw shower gel. Pawpaw product is just so amazing if you use it right. Honestly, when I see some people complaining, oh, pawpaw product bleach me and all that, is harsh and all that, it's because you are using it. Most of you, because you get a product you want to whiten, you'll be using it morning, afternoon and night, even in this hot sun. So tell me how the product is not going to damage your skin. The product is very good. The shower gel is very good. It helps to exfoliate the skin, whitening the skin and moisturize the skin as well. So this shower gel we are going to make now, guys, is not just for whitening, it's also going to moisturize your skin. That is why I go for product that is already effective, moisturizes the skin and treat the skin as well. So these two products moisturize the skin and treat the skin, like dark spot. It helps to fade dark spot, blemish on the skin. Like, this is very amazing. These two shower gel, even if you don't want to mix it, you can get any of this and use it direct to your skin, depending on your skin type. Please, before you get it, observe the kind of skin you have so it will not react to your skin. Okay, next one we have on the list is glutathione comprime. Guys, I love this comprime serum so much. I love it so much. I use it for my mulatto soap. I use it for my, like, literally I use it for most of my product because it's very effective. And all of my video where I made a body lotion, I told you guys there is two type of this. There's one of 15,000 naira and there's one of 3,000 naira. So already with the price, you will know that the one of 15,000 naira is the game changer. So you can get the one you can afford. Okay, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of this. This is the spoon you're going to use in case. This is 1 tablespoon, so we are going to measure out 2 tablespoons of this. Okay, so next one we have on the list is glutathione and collagen serum. So this one too is a whitening serum that helps to fade dark spots. Okay, so this shower gel is going to help to fade your dark spots. That one is certain. So if you have dark spot, this is for you, and it's going to moisturize your skin. And if your skin is very stubborn, this is for you. This is going to work for you as well. Okay, so the next one we have on the list, yeah, the glutathione and collagen serum. We're going to be adding 2 tablespoons as well. So the next one we have on the list is serum. This one is anti-reactions. Okay, you know, after you might have mixed all this without adding any anti-reactions, it might react on your skin. It might give you any like it might give you reactions like green vein and all of that, depending the kind of skin you have. If it's very important you add anti-reactions to your product, any of your product as well. For the fact it has to do with whitening, so we are going to be adding 3 tablespoons of Kenacol into this. Okay, the next one we have on the list is miracle powder. I love miracle powder so much. It's small but mighty. It helps to treat the skin. It helps to prevent any reaction at all, stretch mark, green vein, white patches, discoloration, any reaction at all. This is how you're going to mix this. Get your bowl, get your mixing bowl. Make sure you clean your mixing bowl very well. Okay, get your mixing bowl, then you pour in the nano extra white shower gel into it. Remember I said 1. Then you pour in purple shower gel. You're going to be using two pieces, and like I said, if you're making more than for yourself, then you have to use more than this. Okay, so the next one we're going to add is glutathione compound. We're going to add the 2 tablespoons. Then you add your glutathione and collagen serum, 2 tablespoons. Then the next one you add is your Kenacol, 3 tablespoons. Then you add your pinch of miracle powder. But please, before adding this miracle powder, don't add it direct. Okay, don't just add it into the production direct. Get a rose water, then you add a little rose water into it, then dissolve it. Okay, you can even dissolve the whole miracle powder, it will not spoil. So dissolve it, then you add just a little, if like 2 drop or 2 drop into it, then you mix it. Sorry, I forgot to mention propylene glycol. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of propylene glycol, then 1 tablespoon of preservative. In case you don't know the preservative to use, you can use our German Plus preservative. It's very good. Okay, so after adding all this, then you mix this together, your shower gel is good to go. Please, while giving this to your customer, let them know that this is wash off, so they will not kill you before your time. Let them know that this is wash off. This is not body lotion, this is not oil. Because most of them will be like, okay, you said whitening, so I don't need lotion, I don't need oil. Some self will not even use the lotion, the shower gel every day. They use it once in a week or anytime they remember, and they will come back blaming you for the product not working for them. So explain to them, try to explain to your customer, communicate with your customer. It's very important. This is how to use this to get it right. Try to exfoliate your skin 2 times in a week, not more than 2 times. 2 times in a week. Then while using this, apply it on your skin, massage it thoroughly, then allow it to stay on your skin for at least 5 minutes. Then you bathe. Stop putting soap on your sponge. Stop wasting your soap. Apply it on your skin to extract the benefit. Okay, in that way you will get out all the wishy ingredients down to your skin. So that is it. If you're still watching this video till this extent, that means you are really enjoying the video. So please help me subscribe, smash the like button, turn on your post notification, share this with your friends and family, and see you guys on my next video. So let me know under the comment section the next video you want me to make for you. See you guys and love you guys. Bye.